In today's video, you'll learn how to add an email alias as a from address in Outlook. An alias lets you send mail from a different address without switching accounts. It delivers to the same mailbox, and once enabled, you can select it as the sender per message. First, ensure your alias is available when composing mail. Open Outlook and click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Select View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the panel. Go to Mail Compose and Reply, then scroll to Addresses to send from. Check the box next to the alias you want to use so it appears as a sending address, then click Save. If the alias isn't listed, it may need to be added to your account by your provider or admin first. To use the alias, start a new message. If the From line isn't visible above the To field, click the Options tab and select From. Click the From field and choose your alias from the drop-down. The first time, you may need to type it manually. Afterward, Outlook remembers it for easy selection. Compose your email and send it. Recipients will see the alias as the sender, while replies still go to your mailbox. A few tips. Send a test email to confirm the From address appears correctly. Check Sent items to verify the alias was used. If switching between your primary address and the alias, glance at the From field before sending. Also, ensure the correct signature is applied if you use different ones for each address. That's all it takes. By enabling and selecting an alias in Outlook, you can send from multiple addresses in the same mailbox, keeping communication organized and flexible without switching accounts.